Hi chicas, welcome back to our makeup channel. Today I have a special guest with me. You guys haven't seen her in a while. It's Kenya. Kenya's back here on our makeup channel. And yes, she is gonna be doing makeup today. As you guys saw on the title, she is gonna be doing my makeup. Now, she doesn't know nothing about makeup, so this is going to be really interesting. And to make it more of a challenge, I'm actually going to be making it only 10 minutes because I feel like if we even do it any longer, like, we're going to be here forever. So we're going to be doing it for 10 minutes, and I'm kind of going to help her a little bit, but really she's going to do the magic to see kind of like where she's at with makeup. She's like a really beginner, which I'm thinking you are gonna be. I also want to give a shout out to Victoria Calderon. Thank you so much for commenting on my last video. Honestly, it makes me feel so good when you guys leave me your comments down below. I will reply if you leave them down below, so don't forget to leave your little comment down below, even if it's just a little emoji. I want to get to know you. So if you guys want to see how Kenya does my makeup, then just keep on watching. Okay, so we do have the timer on here. I will be giving her exactly 10 minutes to do a simple makeup look of me going to school. Like, she just has to prepare me to look good enough to go to school. Now, I'm gonna be helping her a little bit, but not a lot, so I can see where she's at. And we do have my makeup thing right on the side, so you will see her grabbing stuff from the side a lot. So anyways, let's just get started. I'm gonna start the timer right now. Okay, go.
What the hell is it?
Oh no. Okay, go. Okay,
what is this?
So first of all, you want to start with foundation. Okay, that is my foundation. I have a lot of foundations.
You just squirt it on the pumpkin?
Yeah, you just squirt it and squirt it.
Oh my god.
Does this feel weird for you? It feels really fucking cold. I've never I felt somebody else doing my foundation. Have you ever put foundation on yourself? I'm like,
no.
Holy shit, this feels so weird. I feel like you're missing a lot of spots. Don't forget my mustache. I'm trying to let that bitch come out today.
Oh my god.
I feel like you're beating me up at the same time. Like, it's just like, okay. You can do that too. Holy shit. I feel like you're wiping your ass.
Okay. What? Okay.
More foundation? Okay, I'm ugly.
Oh, what the?
So usually after foundation, you want to do concealer.
Okie dokies.
So I'm gonna tell her what the concealer is, so she's just gonna have to figure it out.
Oh, no, this is a... How many foundation do you have in here?
Just to give you a hint, concealer is actually smaller than foundation.
So,
and it's in a tube. No! Guys, it's like staring at her in the face. I'm just gonna give it to her. She's annoying me.
Okay. Oh, it's this little thingy. The little
yeah,
like that. And then like that.
Holy shit.
Like that.
Not bad, okay. I don't know what the hell. Yeah, I'm just gonna. How is it looking?
I don't even know how to do.
Am I ready to go to school? Hopefully not, because I kind of want to sleep. Oh my god. I don't know what's going on.
Okay.
That's one way of doing it. feel like I sound like a man too because my voice, I'm sick a little bit, so I feel like suena como un hombre. ¿O qué me está
Is this
pasando?
brush?
Me está tomando.
Blush.
Okay, so next after that, you kind of want to like set the concealer.
Oh, is it that little spray thingy that you use?
I'm not gonna say.
Where is that spray thingy? Oh, it's right here. Close your eyes.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Oh my god, it actually went in my eye. I don't think I've ever had spray go into my eye. It actually fucking burns. Great.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, it takes forever to dry. That is why I didn't want to tell you anything, but this is the last step, Kenya. Oh my god, it's still in my fucking eye. Ow. Ow.
Okay.
Ow. By the way, guys, my New Year's resolution was not to cuss, and I'm cussing right now. I don't know why, it just happened, but oh my god. Hella burns when you get it in your eyes. So my face is not dry, and she's going in with the contour.
This is contour. I said it was blush.
I don't know what she's doing. What the fuck? Am I supposed to cut my cheeks up here? Kenya, are you cutting my freaking mustache? She's putting contour in my mustache.
What is this?
That's the highlight.
Ooh, highlight. What brush do you use?
I don't know, just try whatever. They're getting washed anyways.
That's
That's why I'm doing this video right now, because I'm actually going to wash my brushes. So I knew she wasn't going to know, so. I don't know why you want to apply everything on the cheek. Let's highlight those cheeks. Now, my cheeks are so round, like I have no forma. Do you guys have the same struggle? The same.
What is this?
She's going into another palette. Wait, let me check what's your time with the password.
4 minutes.
4 minutes?
It says right here, cancel.
She has 4 minutes and she still hasn't started on my eyes, guys.
I'm trying to look for
Girl,
that palette.
you are still missing eyebrows too.
I don't know what you do for your eyebrows. More contour.
You can use eyeshadow. Oh, those are just boxes. Sometimes I keep the boxes for the product so I can show you guys the whole product. But I haven't done Viena de Critica in a long time, so yeah. Oh shit, she's going for my new palette.
Oh, what is this?
So this is the Morphe. What is it? The Morphe what? My friend actually got me this palette.
Oh yeah,
it's
was
the
it
Morphe 25B?
Was it Denise who got you the palette?
No, it was Jessica Godoy.
Oh. Ooh, found it.
Okay, she found the Jack and Hill palette. Everybody loves that.
What's the other one that I've been looking for?
Be careful with that one because the highlighter is broken.
Whoa, what is this? Where's the... yum, yum, yum. Oh, found it.
The Huda
I'm
Beauty
looking for
palette.
this.
I love the Huda Beauty palette. The Desert Dust one.
Close your eyes.
Holy shit. Yeah, so for people like Kenya that don't really know about makeup, oh my god, you broke my eye. Palettes like this, guys, they have tremendous fallout, especially when it's glitter. So I don't know what Kenya's gonna do it to take that excess off. What just happened, Kenya? It was going so good.
Okay, where's the... Is this the eyeliner? This is lipstick.
It looks like I got beat up with glitter.
I love glitter. What is this?
That's mascara.
How many mascaras do you even have? Where's the eyeliner, girl?
Oh yeah, it's that one. Oh my gosh, she's attempting eyeliner. Hurry up, I'm gonna die.
Oh, I don't know how you...
I felt that. I felt that. Are you gonna attempt to wing eyeliner? You're savage.
I'm so savage.
That is so savage. Oh my god. That wing just left the building.
Mascara time.
Oh my god, please don't poke my eye.
I'm actually really good at mascara. Okay. I don't think you need mascara. Your eyes are okay.
Gee, thank you. Oh my god, I'm looking like I should work at the corner. That, like, you just dig that shit into my eye. I'm legit looking like I should work at the corner right now. In the next episode.
What is this?
It's a lipstick.
What's the thing that you use for your eyebrows?
It's my Laura Mercier powder. This one.
Okay. What brush do you use? Okay, this one? Okay, we use this one.
Just go for it, sister.
Why is it so...
Oh no. I can't really see from where I'm at.
Oh no!
What else are you missing? The lipstick?
Yeah.
Okay, just do the lipstick and we're good.
Okay. I don't know what kind of lipstick to use.
I really can't see myself from here that well, but when I look at myself in the mirror, I will see. But it does look like I just got beat up.
Lipstick? Yes, it's lipstick.
My top lip disappeared.
Blend it all, girl. Blend it. Blend it.
Okay. Okay, can I see myself?
Where's your mirror?
I'll just use this one. Okay, bam 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 bam. How did Kenya do? Holy crap! Dude. What is wrong with my eyebrows? You guys,
And it finished yours.
the eyeshadow, like she left a hole in my fucking eyeshadow. Look at this. I don't know if you guys can see. She applied all my eyeshadow. Oh my god. Not that bad on the eyeliner, I'm not gonna lie. I want you guys to see like up close. This is horrible, by the way. But like not that bad on this eyeliner. You just gotta get a little bit closer to the actual lash line. Not that bad. Lips. Lips, like there's nothing on that side. But can you guys see all these little dots she fucking flicked in my face? Actually, I'm not hating this highlight right there. It's not that bad. Foundation, you did a pretty good job, but like, what? This is like, no. This is like I'm working at the corner.
Oh my god.
Alright guys, well, this is how Kenya thought I should go to school. I wish I can go to school like this, but guess what? School finished. So I won't be going to school until the end of January.
Lucky.
Yeah, she's in vacation right now. But this is how Kenya did my makeup. A lot of improvement. I think you did a pretty good job because I kind of really didn't tell you like where did it go. Eyeshadow needs a lot more blending, girl. A lot more blending. Can't even talk. Not mad at the face though. Like you kind of did a good job. Not except for this big ass fucking mole I just got out of nowhere. But she did a pretty good job, right guys? Just give her a thumbs up for trying. She did try. But yeah, that's the video. We're gonna go take the thumbnail right now, and hope you guys have an amazing weekend of vacation that you guys are having, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.